Hi, my name is Reagan Pugh. I live in Austin, Texas. I co-founded a consulting firm called Assemble. We focus on creating collaborative experiences for small teams. Before Unreal, I found myself setting internal deadlines for projects that meant a lot to me and then consistently pushing those deadlines down the road. This was the stuff that no one was ever going to hold me accountable for. And no one was ever going to really know about if I never brought it into the world, but was deeply, deeply meaningful to me. Unreal allowed me to recognize what accountability looks like for me and then what capacity looks like for me. I think I began with this belief that if I left with this ability to do everything that I ever put on my to-do list, that would look like success, as opposed to understanding what my own personal capacity looks like and what challenging myself looks like in the lane that I'm currently in. Accountability for me, I've realized, is something that isn't only internal, that I've got to have an external partner, and the weekly calls and the conversations with Jay have really allowed me to set deadlines that I'm able to meet on a more realistic basis. I went through this 4-week valley of despair. And then I talked to my group on one kind of jam session one night. And next thing I knew, I was getting a text message, a Slack message, you better get that done this week. And man, to think that these folks that I had never met, who were halfway across the country, were in my corner that way, that mattered a lot. Beginning anything is the hardest part, but when you can do hard work that's meaningful to you alongside other people and feel like you belong to this tribe of folks who are trying to do something that's way over there that we can't reach yet and share resources with one another, it's invaluable. So I don't know if you have that wherever you are, but I didn't, and extremely grateful for the experience. So stop wasting your time.